Hello everyone, welcome to the forecast. Let's take a look at the market. The market is very volatile and we have gotten some moves, but then we got also V reversals. This is Euro and US dollar and this pair is just stuck in a range. So we are creating a clear V reversal. Not very clear, but we can see the V and now we're getting a range, so I'm looking for it to push up, give me a nice flag. So tomorrow I'm not trading. Tomorrow is NFP. On NFP I don't take any trades after the London Open. That's just to avoid getting whipsawed because the price moves erratically sometimes, or I'm looking for a large move down and then a flag to go short. EJ, Euro Japanese yen, was starting to trend up right here. So prior to that we were just ranging, breaking the highs, retracing, breaking the lows, retracing. Then we got some momentum. I was really happy to see this move. It looked very good, but unfortunately it ended up being a V reversal. So it ended up being this V reversal, as we can see here. So at this point I'm just sitting on my hands a bit more. I'm seeing a range here. I'm seeing this still being stuck in a range, and I'm seeing maybe this V, we will get the range and then we can push down and look to sell. Now what I would like to see that large push down or that large push up. Currently this is bad price action. I'm being more patient. There's nothing really more to say about this pair. Aussie US dollar, it was looking textbook for a reversal. As you can see at this point, let me just zoom in a bit so you can see it a bit better. So by these lines I marked where the most recent high has been broken, and you can just see we have been breaking the highs, retracing, leaving wicks all the way to the upside. So it was a very high probability to reverse. This candle, I thought we were going to get a nice reversal with this candle. Unfortunately it broke the low, retraced, leaving a wick, and the reversal was not confirmed. So we did not get any good setup. Also, maybe some people were seeing that they were gonna go long after they saw these two candles for a break and retest trade like this. For me, it did not fit my plan because first there was a wick on top of this candle, and second it would have been an aggressive retrace and the prior price action was ascending. 3 warning signs, that's definitely enough for me not to take a trade. So I did stay out. And currently what I would like to see, well, I would like to see this ascending play out and give us that nice reversal down. I would then look to sell. Again, I would be more patient because the price action is not confirming me those reversals. I'm not seeing that large momentum down. I'm just seeing a clean ascending, then a break of the low and a retrace. Also, I'm seeing if a large push up happens. If it happens, I'll look to buy. Again, I'm trading for a few more hours, so not really expecting anything to happen for the rest of the day. We shall see, it can always change. So yeah, nothing really special going on this pair. Just, I would say, be more patient. Aussie Japanese yen. Now this one had looked very good. There were a couple of entries. So first there was this entry. Maybe some people were seeing this starting to push up, so starting a trend. For me, I wanted to see the next candle because we got the wick here. If this was a clean close, I would be in, but because we got a wick, I wanted to see how the next candle looked like, and the next candle retraced. Actually the next candle did show us a continuation. I was happy to take a trade at this point, but we did not get tagged in. Or actually, I was not happy to take a trade because it would have been an aggressive retrace, kind of an engulfing pullback to the downside. So I was not really happy to take a trade, and the next candle would have not even taken me in, so no opportunity there. But if people got in on this candle, so if people got in after something like this, they placed their order for a break and retest, they would have been in some nice profit, and then the trade started running. We also got a flag right here at this point and a combo trade. So let's go over those entries. We had a lot of entries on this pair, potential entries. So there was this combo right here, but for me personally it did not fit my plan again because I was seeing kind of a momentum shift to the downside, and I wanted to see more of a range. We got these two wicks right here, so I saw momentum here, I saw a small pullback, and then I saw the momentum down continue, which I was not happy to take a trade. I don't want to see a momentum shift in the pullback. What I wanted to see was a slow descending to the entry area. This was just too fast, and I saw a potential momentum shift. So then there was a flag, again, not enough of a range. Entry candle was close to the high, so would have not been able to reduce my risk if the price broke the high. So many warning signs. So first warning sign, not enough of a range. Second warning sign, momentum shift in these legs. Third warning sign, entry candle close to the high. I was not happy to take it, but it did work out. The price did continue up. It did continue trending. And then unfortunately we got an aggressive retrace. I think this was news. It must have been news or something. This was really aggressive. And this doesn't look good at all. So unfortunately price did reverse, broke the low, retraced, left a large wick. I'm expecting a range, especially after seeing that sort of price action where we just got a V reversal. What I would look for to get in on a trade, I would look for this V to play out, range, push down, look to sell. That's kind of the only thing I would be interested in. Also, I would be interested in if this pushes down, creates a trend, of course, that would be good. Or if we get a really huge push up, then I would look to buy. As I said, not trading tomorrow, so I don't think we will get I don't think we will get entries. But for the next week, let's look at getting a large push up or a large push down. Let's look for the price action to clean up again. Now I'm seeing some potential, so price is moving. Price is trending up. Right here we had a really good trend. Really good trend, that's a good sign. So maybe next week price action cleans up even more and we get some trades that really go, that really fly. Again, we need to be more patient, but I think these are better market conditions than what we have been seeing in the past couple of days. So yeah, that is it for the pair, or in the past couple of weeks. Last pair, GU, just nothing, no potential for me. I just saw no large momentum. Again, on this pair, I'm only looking for that large momentum up or large momentum down. I just saw it stuck in a range. And then we got this must have been a news candle. I'm not checking news, but a news candle looks exactly like this one. So huge wick up, huge wick down, and then we just range. That is just a really common characteristic. So on this pair, just definitely being more patient. It's not showing me absolutely anything. I'm looking for that huge push down or that huge push up. I'm looking for that large momentum and for a trend to start. That is it for the forecast. So tomorrow, yeah, I will make a forecast, but I will not be trading. NFP is tomorrow, so keep that in mind. And for my verification for FTMO, I still have, I think, 15 or 16 days, so there's still potential to pass it. We will see. If I don't get any trades, I will need to try to scalp and get in on at least a break even to get a free retray. So yeah, we will see what happens. I will see you guys. So we will see also next week after the NFP news. Maybe some trends will start. Again, market conditions are changing for the better. They are not that stagnant, and we are getting some trends, or at least some signs of trends. So I would say maybe times are changing for the better for us trend traders at least. That is it, and I will see you guys in the next forecast.